The paper you choose will impact how your art materials perform. Paper quality matters, especially when you're working with better quality art products. There are different types of paper based on the type of project and mediums you are using. There is a specific paper for watercolor, color pencils, sketching, mixed media, tonal paper, and many more. Picking the right type of paper for your project is important for the outcome of your art. Some of the key factors you should look for when choosing the right paper for your project are raw material composition, acid content, and paper weight. Most paper is made from wood pulp or cotton. Paper made from 100% cotton is a better quality as the fibers are longer, so it is stronger and more durable. Cotton paper is also considered archival and has a lifespan of more than 100 years. Acid-free paper helps your finished art stay vibrant longer. When you use acid-free mediums with acid-free paper, your finished art will last much longer. Many Faber-Castell products are acid-free, including Polychromos color pencils, Albrecht Dürer watercolor pencils, and Pitt artist pens. If your paper is not acid-free, your markings will fade, sometimes within a few days. Look for acid-free or archival on the paper and mediums you choose to give your art longevity. The weight helps you determine how heavy the paper is, so if you are using a 300-pound paper, it will withstand many layers of watercolor strokes. Lighter weight papers are good for graphite, sketching, and drawings. Typical paper in the US has a 140-pound weight. There are different types of textures of paper, including hot and cold pressed, as well as rougher texture. These types of textures are typically found with watercolor paper. Cold pressed paper has more texture. This paper is great for broad strokes of a landscape in art where you want less definition. Hot pressed paper is smoother as the paper is made with a heated process. For example, this paper works well for portrait work where you want more defined details added to your subject. Rougher papers have even more texture with heavier peaks and valleys. The texture of the paper helps pull more pigments off the medium you are using. Choosing the right paper can be confusing with all the options out there, but when you use higher quality paper with high quality art mediums, you will have a better experience and your art will last longer.